Welcome to Auto Experience, your go-to destination for the latest reviews, specifications, and in-depth features on all things automotive. In today's video, we will be diving into the much-awaited 2025 Alturas G4, a vehicle that has been capturing the attention of car enthusiasts and potential buyers alike. We will explore its design, performance, interior, safety features, and much more, so stay tuned for a detailed analysis. The 2025 Alturas G4 is a midsize SUV that blends luxury with rugged performance, making it an ideal choice for those looking for a vehicle that can tackle both urban roads and off-road adventures. The new model comes with a host of updates and refinements that elevate its status in the competitive SUV segment. One of the most notable changes in the 2025 model is the updated exterior design, which gives the Alturas G4 a more modern and aggressive stance. The front grille has been redesigned, now featuring a bolder and more dynamic look. The sleek, sharp headlights with LED DRLs and new fog lamps add to the sophisticated front profile. Additionally, the vehicle's side profile exhibits a robust, muscular build, enhanced by the newly designed alloy wheels and bold character lines running from the front fenders to the rear. The rear of the SUV also showcases LED tail lights and a newly designed bumper, which further enhance its premium appeal. Under the hood, the 2025 Alturas G4 continues to offer powerful engine options, ensuring a robust driving experience. The SUV comes equipped with a 2.2-liter four-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine, capable of producing around 202 horsepower and 441 newton-meters of torque. This engine is paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission, offering smooth and precise gear shifts. Whether you are navigating through city traffic or cruising on the highway, the Alturas G4 delivers excellent performance with a high level of refinement. For those who enjoy a more engaging driving experience, the SUV also comes with a 4x4 drivetrain, allowing for better traction and stability in various road conditions, making it perfect for off-road enthusiasts. In terms of ride quality, the 2025 Alturas G4 excels with its well-tuned suspension, which provides a comfortable and stable ride even on rough terrains. The SUV's suspension system absorbs bumps and irregularities on the road, ensuring a smooth journey for both the driver and passengers. Its high ground clearance further enhances its off-road capabilities, allowing it to easily conquer uneven and rugged landscapes. Moving inside, the 2025 Alturas G4 impresses with its premium interior that combines luxury with practicality. The cabin is spacious, offering ample legroom and headroom for all passengers. The seats are upholstered in high-quality leather, providing excellent comfort on long drives. The front seats are power-adjustable, allowing the driver and co-driver to find the perfect seating position. The second row of seats is equally comfortable, with enough space to accommodate 3 adults without feeling cramped. The rear seats also come with a 60 hours 40 minutes split folding function, which increases the cargo capacity when needed. The dashboard of the Alturas G4 is neatly laid out, with a large touchscreen infotainment system at the center. The system is responsive and easy to use, offering features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, and navigation. The infotainment screen is well integrated into the dashboard, making it easily accessible without distracting the driver. Below the infotainment system, you will find physical controls for the climate control system, which adds to the user-friendly nature of the cabin. The SUV also features a premium sound system, providing crisp and clear audio for an enhanced entertainment experience. In terms of safety, the 2025 Alturas G4 comes equipped with a range of advanced features to ensure the safety and well-being of its occupants. The SUV is built with a strong and durable body structure, which provides excellent protection in the event of a collision. It also comes with multiple airbags placed strategically throughout the cabin, including front, side, and curtain airbags. On top of that, the Alturas G4 is equipped with driver assistance technologies such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, forward collision warning, and automatic emergency braking. These features work together to enhance the driving experience by providing additional safety and convenience. The 2025 Alturas G4 also boasts a host of convenience features, which make it an appealing choice for families and long-distance travelers. The SUV offers keyless entry, push-button start, a panoramic sunroof, and a power tailgate, which makes loading and unloading items easier. Additionally, the cabin is equipped with USB port, cup holders, and storage compartments to accommodate the needs of all passengers. The SUV also offers a premium air purification system, ensuring that the cabin stays fresh and free from pollutants. When it comes to fuel efficiency, the 2025 Alturas G4 manages to strike a good balance between power and economy. Its diesel engine is relatively fuel efficient for a vehicle of its size, offering decent mileage for long-distance journeys. The presence of an efficient automatic transmission system ensures that the engine operates optimally, delivering power without compromising on fuel consumption. This makes the Alturas G4 a practical choice for those looking for a balance between performance and fuel economy. The 2025 Alturas G4 is available in a range of variants, allowing buyers to choose the one that best suits their needs and preferences. Each variant comes with different features and specifications, allowing customers to tailor the vehicle according to their requirements. Whether you are looking for a more feature-packed model or a more affordable variant, the Alturas G4 offers something for everyone. Overall, the 2025 Alturas G4 is a well-rounded SUV that offers a premium driving experience with a combination of luxury, performance, and practicality. Its updated design, powerful engine options, and advanced features make it a strong contender in the midsize SUV segment. If you are looking for a vehicle that can handle both urban commutes and off-road adventures with ease, the Alturas G4 is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching this review of the 2025 Alturas G4. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to the Auto Experience channel for more reviews, updates, and automotive news. We appreciate your support, and we look forward to bringing you more exciting content in the future. Stay tuned.